Good morning all. Hope you all are fine there. This is a fourth video class for chapter 1. Are you able to follow my classes? If you have any doubt, you must contact me. Okay. So have you take down the notes which I have described in the previous class? You must take down the notes daily and study well. Okay. So let's start today's session. So in the previous classes you have studied these topics, what is image editing, then GIMP software, and also you have learned 6 activities: creating canvas, then how we can apply color to the canvas, by which tool, how we can apply color to the canvas by using blend tool, then arranging picture on the canvas by using select by color tool, and also you have learned about a new term called layer editing, what is the advantage of layer editing, then how we can rename a layer. Then the last class we have learned about one activity called how to place a logo in the poster. So what was the difference? Yes, we have learned about one new icon called eye icon and also copy visible function. So what is the use of eye icon? We can view or hide a particular layer by using eye icon. Then the function of copy visible facility is, yes, we can copy all the layers from a image or a logo. There will be some hidden layers in the image or logo, so that by using copy visible facility all the hidden layers will be get copied. Okay, so in today's class you will learn about one small topic about fuzzy select tool. I hope it's a new term for you or new tool for you. Then fuzzy select tool. So what is the use of fuzzy select tool? By using this fuzzy select tool we can copy or we can select the particular areas of an image based on color similarity. So based on a particular color we can select the areas of an image. Actually this activity is not described in your textbook, but here this poster is given in your textbook. In this poster you can see the image of some children, and this image is created using fuzzy select tool. Though it is not described in your textbook, but it has already created in this poster, you must learn what is the use of fuzzy select tool. So I'll explain this activity. So let's see how we can make use of this fuzzy select tool. So open previous work poster, and then what we have to do? We must open layer palette. So we can make use of shortcut key Ctrl+L. So open layer palette. Then before moving to the activity we must create a new layer. So here click on the new layer. Don't forget this option. So click on new layer and click on OK. After that open the image by using file open. So click on file open and open the image from home folder, school resources, standard 9, images. Here we can see the image of that children. So open this image. Then we can see this image has opened in another window. So here we can see this background color, white color. So we can make use of fuzzy select tool. So each tool has its own difference or its own speciality. So here you will deal with fuzzy select tool. You can make use of any tool. So let's see what is the use of fuzzy select tool. So before selecting fuzzy select tool, one thing to be noticed is here background color. If it is not black and white, we must change the background color to black and white. Otherwise this portions cannot be removed, or when we copy this image the background color will be corresponding to this selected one. So the first thing to be noticed is this background and foreground color must be in black and white. If it is not, you must change the color to black and white. If it is green, the background color will be green. If you remove this portion and this picture will appear in green color. If it is red, it will appear in red color. So to avoid such cases, first thing to do is we must change the color to black and white, foreground and background color to black and white option. After that, this one is the fuzzy select tool to select a particular region based on the color similarity. So select the fuzzy select tool, and then we have to avoid this white color. So click on the white white region and press delete key from your keyboard. Press delete key so that that portion will get removed. If you select another color in the foreground and background option, suppose if it is green, if you press delete option, here green color will appear. So click on another white portion, press delete button. So remove all the white color by using this facility. Click on the white option, white color, then press delete key from your keyboard like this. Click on every white background and press delete option, because we only need this image and we don't need this background white color. In order to get this image, we can make use of fuzzy select tool. So like this, click on white background and press delete option. So now all the white background has disappeared or removed. Then here you can see one selection. So if you simply click on edit copy visible and if you paste it on the canvas, this portion only get copied or this portion only get pasted on the canvas. To avoid the selection, another thing to be noticed is after using fuzzy select tool, we must avoid the selection. For that, click on select option and here we can see none. So select none option so that all the selection has removed from the image. Now in the same way we can edit, we can make use of edit copy, then close the image. After that edit paste like this, and by using move tool we can arrange this image at the bottom, and by using scale tool we can resize the image. Can resize the image by using scale tool like this, scale option. And then in order to fix this image on the canvas, which tool is used? In the layer palette, here we can see anchor tool. So click on the anchor tool so that the white background has removed and this image get pasted on the canvas by using fuzzy select tool. So this is what the use of fuzzy select tool. So what we have done first we have to make this foreground and background color into black and white option. After that, select fuzzy select tool and then click on the areas of that image or particular color. So I have removed this white background, so click on each white region and press delete key from your keyboard. After that, select none option, then click on edit copy from that image and then edit paste it on the canvas. So this is what the use of fuzzy select tool. Hope you all understand this topic. So by seeing this tool, you may have some confusions about other one tool called select by color tool. So both this fuzzy select tool and select by color tool has the same speciality, but the difference is that if you select this tool, select by color tool, it is used to select the regions with same color. If I want black portions only, if you select black portions, all the black portions get selected. Or if you want yellow color portion, if you click on yellow color, all the yellow colors get selected. So the use of select by color tool is to select the region with similar color. But the use of fuzzy select tool is we can select contiguous region on the basis of color. So if you want to remove any region by using fuzzy select tool, we can click on that particular region. We can click on this delete key so that that particular region will get removed by using fuzzy select tool. So in this case we can make use of both tool, because here you can see only one color, black color. So from the image, if you select by color tool and if you click on this black option, all this black portions get selected. So in this case we can make use of both tool, but there may be some other cases with a lot of colors are there in one image. So that we have to use fuzzy select tool to remove the background color or a particular region. Hope you all clear the use of fuzzy select tool, and this activity is not described in your textbook. So please ensure that you all take down the notes of this particular section because it is not described in your textbook. So I'll show the notes or stepwise description of the use of fuzzy select tool by using PPT presentation. So don't forget to take down the notes which I have described in every class, okay? And also I'll send all these notes through your WhatsApp group. So take down the notes daily. And now I'll show what is the use of, or stepwise description of how we can make use of this fuzzy select tool. So first open GIMP software and then open the image using file open. Then select the fuzzy select tool and click on the region based on color similarity. So you must ensure that the foreground and background color is in black and white option. Then after selecting the regions, press delete key from your keyboard to avoid the unwanted region. And after selection, avoid the selection by clicking on select none option. Then the same way copy the image and then paste it on the canvas. Hope you all clear today's class and let's wind up today's session. So don't forget to copy down the notes and covering each and every portions from your textbook. So if you read your textbook, you may find some difficulty because it is a vast chapter, so that you can't memorize activities or stepwise description. It is I'm describing each and every step in an easy manner. So don't forget to take down the notes, okay? So study well, take care, thank you and have a nice day.